London Gatwick. That was a 3-hour flight, guys. We made it again. Okay, so a little update. We've done our passport control. It was so easy. And now we're going through custom. We don't have any check bags, so we'll just go out of the airport, find our train going to, let's see, London. We are getting ticket, train ticket going to London.
Train.
What are you getting, Mala?
Katsu chicken bake. That is good.
Hindi pasado?
For curry. It's good. Wala pa nga ba?
Nasang curry nga. Matindi.
Diba ano?
Nice though. Ang ganda ng ano na to.
This is for your safety and security.
Na love?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
I can't go to Hogwarts. To get to the train to Hogwarts.
We're in London!
London.
I know.
London.
That.
I see. Where are you?
Guys, dream come true! Oh my gosh! This is the telephone booth, but probably not the exact one that I see on Instagram, but look at the St. Pancras Hotel. It's fancy. It's really nice. Oh, this is Russell Square, London Borough. It is a different vibe now.
Oh, you can just enter, my love.
Yeah, why? Does it have to be a no?
Tingin lang.
It's very gated. Yeah, you just have to like. Oh, so there's. I think you have to buy the ticket, huh? treat your brother.
Ginagawa lang yung Thailand, separate country, separate nation. Hindi nila kaano yung head, yung ano, Lebanon or yung mga nasa Gaza. They have no relation. Ang gusto nila ang wala Israel. What is that place? Oh, that's the... Let's see, where are you? Stop it.
What's next to it? Oh, looks like they have different buildings, my love. Admiralty House, Coast Guard, Ministry of Defense,
Oh, yeah?
Coast Guard. And we are here. It's like Parliament Square.
Oh. Let's go.
Hirap kumuha ng photo because everyone is just around you and trying to get their photos too. But it's okay. We still see it. Tagsi, come here. Hindi ako nakuha dun sa may
Amazing day in London.
I know, it's actually nice weather, no?
Yeah. There's more meat here than the other place.
Masarap siya, Marlo.
Yeah. Five Guys. I see, where are you?
London. You asked me so many times, I'll ask.
London.
You're London.
The US flag is there with the British flag.
Gusto na ba agad US?
No, I'm just saying, there's a US flag right there. See it? With the Five Guys?
Oh, okay.
Representing. Yeah.
We're back to St. Pancras station. We're gonna head to Paris, but before that, we actually had our luggages stored while we were exploring. So we'll see how many hours did we walk. We'll find out how many hours they're gonna charge us.
Make sure you get your tickets out, guys. Thank you.
We're riding a train to Paris, and we are gonna ride with Eurostar. It's pretty cool. We don't have to fly this time. Code 16, ayan o. Code 16. All the way down.